How to remove two-factor authentication Facebook in locked account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how you can remove two-factor authentication of Facebook in a locked account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now first of all, if you're talking about lock, I'm assuming most of you are talking about the profile lock. Now profile lock has nothing to do with your two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication is something that is set up in the settings. Now if you would like to remove those two-factor authentication, you have to tap the three lines option here and then tap the gear icon to come to the settings option. Then just go to the account center. Now once you come to account center, over here you can see password and security. Tap on password and security. Here you can see two-factor authentication. Select that and select your Facebook account, and all you have to do is simply enter your current password and then just make sure to turn them off. And that's all it takes to remove two-factor authentication in Facebook in a locked account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.